How to fix Android battery draining faster issue in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to start by identifying which apps or processes are consuming the most power. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and head towards Battery. Here you need to choose the battery uses by app and look the apps or services that are using a large portion of your battery. If there is an app draining too much power, you can uninstall or disable the app, clear cache for apps, restrict background activity for certain app. For that, you can come across the battery section, and if you have the option of background restrictions, you can even do that. Now the next step to follow Android battery draining faster issues is simply you can reduce the screen brightness and timeout. So you need to simply head towards display and brightness from the same setting panel, and you can tap on dark mode and switch to dark, toggle on the button for auto brightness, and now your tap on auto screen off and set it to minimum, that is 15 seconds or even the 30 seconds. Also, you can use it battery health applications like GSAM battery monitor or Accu battery, which can help you monitor battery health and uses patterns and make adjustments. So extra tip is you can easily remove the widgets, use Wi-Fi over mobile data and keep the phone cool. So by following this step, you can fix iPhone or Android battery draining faster issues. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.